My brain bends from anxiety, friends, sobriety ends. Never met lady luck, never been first, only last. Life got me gassed, try to hold fast. What I ask is to feel fucking normal. She would've been adorable, couldn't see the future like the oracle. It's horrible, nothing's comparable. Life isn't terrible, I'm feeling fucking terrible. A blunt cherry's the best when I'm very depressed. I barely invest in anything, staring at death, but I'm wearing the stress. No one carrying best, brain tearing depressed. Death is scary, but it's a rest. It's not like I wanna die, but life I made a mess of this. Searching for the pleasantness, sorrow is my residence. Directionless, no matter what the question is, the lesson is
the world ain't all sunshine and rainbows.
Explain those things that keep me pulling out my hair and living in despair. Fuck a prayer, I go to hell, I'm well aware. Cause I'm broken, confessing, provoking depression. I never learned a lesson, I need a bed to rest in. But despite this insanity, yeah, I plan to be prosperous. Fail, that's preposterous, strong like a rhinoceros. And that depression, I'm on top of this. Cause my brain, yo, it's bottomless. I got a higher tolerance, clear with my consciousness, became a fucking optimist. No incompetence, filling out with confidence. Living well in this metropolis is my hypothesis.
Ready or not, you're on.